and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we are going to be looking at this phone I bought on eBay. Let me pull up the listing. It is a Alltel Blackberry Curve with the box. Let's see if I can find a number on it. It's an 8330 Blackberry Curve. Picked it up for $4.99 and $8.25 to ship it. So let's take a look. I am planning on doing a couple ringtone videos. I got some drop test videos I need to do this week, so I'll be doing those. So I'll just have to edit all those. Those take forever to edit, but we'll do some of them. Also got a phone trade in the works right now, so that's going on. So here it is. We'll just take a look at the phone. There'll be an unboxing and everything later on. So here's the phone. Rough shape, but it is Alltel. I don't think it has a battery. Ooh, it does have a battery. A little bulged, as normal BlackBerry batteries are. Could worse. Does have a micro SD card slot in it, or micro SD card in the slot. Let's see if we can unlock it. It is a 2 GB. That's pretty cool. So you guys, stay tuned for this update as well. I got a couple more unboxings to do, so stay tuned for those.